got to help me rescue some cars that have got stuck. Do you think you can do that? Yeah? Okay. But there's some obstacles in your way, so you're going to have to go over them. You might have to balance on something. You might have to run around others. So, what do you think you're going to do over the hurdles? You're going to jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump. On these, I mean just step across them. You might have to balance. Ooh, ooh. Then on the steps, you can pick up only one car. Step on every spot for me, as fast as you can. Drop him off, and then come back and start again. Let's go then, give it a go. Oh, don't you quick, careful. There we go. Careful, there we go. There we go. There we go. Try and step over him, there we go. Ooh. Put your arms out if you need. There we go, look at that, you're balancing now. Actually, it's alright, you could even there. You gotta go get those cars, can you do that? They're exactly the same, either way. They're gonna go that way though. There we go.